This here is the ErgoTec Ninja Liquid. It's UNGER's best cleaning agent. Why? Well, that's easy enough to explain. Ninja Liquid offers sparkling results thanks to its powerful formula with extended foam life and ultimate cleaning performance. For cleaning specialists, superior gliding is also a very important factor. You'll notice that when you use Ninja Liquid, the squeegee rubber glides over the glass almost by itself. So you will really enjoy using Ninja Liquid every day. And thanks to the longer foam life, you will also notice that you can foam several windows at once before wiping them clean with the window squeegee. This means you don't have to dip your washer in the bucket as often, making you faster and more efficient in your daily work. Simply add the high-yield Ninja Liquid directly to the water. Note the mixing ratio of 1:100. This means that for 10 liters of water, you only have to add 100 milliliters of Ninja Liquid. Try it for yourself, happy cleaning, and enjoy the sparkling results.